Okay, y'all. I have a weird video today, and I think y'all might like it, y'all might not like it, y'all might just scroll away. But today we're gonna be playing a reload match. Every time I get a kill, we will be taking out a keycap, like whatever keycap I use the most. So for reference, first kill I get, I'll take out R. That's my edit button. Second, I'll probably take out T. That's my wall. Then I'll take out F, G, V, W, Q, E, A, S, D, all that good stuff. So we're gonna get into the video. Well, I really think I don't see him. Let me get looted up first, bro. I don't know. I gotta take my key. I can't kill you yet, kid. I can't kill you yet. I gotta take my keycap out. It's no fun in my video. I might just gotta take 2 out at a time. This kid is only Ready? Back. This is perfect. Take out R. Taking out R. Kid, here's a kid. Wait. Am I good? Am I good? Oh. Let's go! Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna bring my keyboard. Chat, I'm doing this for y'all, bro. Let me take out a different one, chat. Actually, let me kill this kid. Come on! Get out! Oh my god, is that easy all along? I'm cooked, chat, I'm cooked. Chat, look at this, bro. Look at that. Yo, chat, I might be cooked. Chat, I might be cooked. Chat, I'm so cooked. Yo, I'm so close. Oh my. Yeah, I'm pretty short video. No last a lot. No 60? my god, I'm getting keyed by everybody. Yeah. Yeah, I'm like, gotta dip. Yeah, I just saw him. Yeah, we were hot. Yeah, I'm going to spot. I got it right. Yeah, do I have a phone? I think I might have had a phone. Please hop off. Hop off, bro. I'm not trying to fight you, bro. I don't have a key. I'll take it anyway. No way I found one. I'm so bad. Wait, no. This, bro, it's not fair. 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 Okay, y'all. 10-2. Last game did not go so well. What am I even talking about? I ain't even playing the last game. I did, bro. Haters, bro. Haters gonna be haters, bro. Come on now. Oh, what am I talking? Wait, it's not a thing no more. I'm dumb. If this world was mine, I'd take it back and do. Fa 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 fa. Hey, Alright, Jack. That's one key cap. Alright, Jack. That's one key cap. Alright, but what key cap do we move down? I kind of want to do. I'm gonna do F. Don't tell me I'm about to struggle again. Here we are. I got the glitch. I got the glitch. I got the glitch. Yeah. My recording paused. That was kind of embarrassing. So I kind of got to restart like everything, but I did manage to get 3 kills, so that's 3 keycaps gone, as y'all can see. I wasn't recording on Fortnite the whole time. Dead? That's freaky. chat. Oh my god, I gotta do more keycaps. Alright, we're gonna do W. Can I do W? I don't think I can do W. I'm gonna do B. B. And R. Chat, how am I gonna play? This is unplayable. Oh my gosh. No. Chat, this is unplayable. This is actually unplayable. Why am I doing this? Oh my god. Chat, I'm on my favorite Fun. I'll get this game over with right now. Ready? Oh my god, like, so weird. Oh my god. Alright, we're gonna take out Y. Oh my god, bro. This feels so weird. Yeah, like this is so like it feels so weird not having like keys to play on, bro. I kind of feel smooth. That's another keycap. I gotta do another keycap. I gotta get this real quick. Another keycap. I'm gonna do Q. Why not? Alright, that's Q gone. I feel like, bro, half my keyboard's gone now, bro. I swear, half my keyboard's gone. Chat. This is so weird, chat. How did I even do it quantitative, bro? Where I die. I'm pushing fights that I should not be pushing. Yeah, this is how I'm gonna die, chat. This is how I'm gonna die. If I die, I'm not restarting. another keycap, bro. This might have to be our last keycap. I'm probably gonna die after all this. Whew. Chad, this is so hard to play. Like, I don't even understand. Chad. This might be quite well. Take it easy on my heart. I have no keycaps left. I really don't. I am really scared. Yeah, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Oh my god, chat. I can't tell if I'm knocking myself down or somebody knocking me down. Chat, like, do not ever play like this, bro. Do not ever play like this if y'all play like this. I'm just trying to make this video interesting for y'all. Hopefully it's working. GG's, bro. Good game, bro. I can't even be mad, bro. I really can't even be mad, bro. Oh, bro. That drone was hard, chat. Y'all gotta, like, I wouldn't recommend trying to play like this, but, like, y'all gotta try, bro. It's hard, bro. If y'all really want to challenge yourselves, y'all gotta try to do this. I ain't gonna lie. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.